So today we are talking about the Small Bluff, which is a really nice, light, refreshing shrub-based mixed drink. It has like fennel shrub, lemon, it's really refreshing. It has a little bit of the vinegar kick. It's really tasty and has that nice like fennel-y depth to it. I'm Regina Dellea and we're at Getaway in Brooklyn, New York. All right, so we're gonna start with 1 ounce of the fennel shrub. And then 1 ounce of lemon juice. And then 1.5 ounces of the Seedlip Spice. And 2 dashes of celery bitters. And we use glycerin-based bitters rather than alcohol-based bitters. And then we're gonna shake it. And a little garnish of fennel sprig. Whoops. There we go. That is the Small Bluff.